So a pandemic happened, and now you're stuck at home doing distance learning for all of your students. I'm not dressed like this because I'm lazy. I'm dressed like this because teaching is hard, and I am wildly overwhelmed. Anyways, now I am writing newsletters that no one reads and using my phone to teach the transitive property of inequalities for all my students. Okay. Have I before eat?
You go to the farm today.
This rule doesn't really work. Do elephants went out to play? This is not easy, and I've messed up a lot with the transitive properties of it. But hopefully I can show you some of the tips and tricks that I've learned through my massive failures. Everything from filming on your phone or your computer to uploading and sharing with your class. First, you need a camera. You can easily use your phone or computer. They're all really high quality. Second, lighting is important. If you don't want to look like you're telling a ghost story, or if you don't want to look like you're demanding a ransom, then find a window and set up in front of it or next to it. The lights in your house or classroom will also work. You just want to look for something that is evenly lit. Third, audio. Make sure you're in a spot that doesn't have too much background noise. Your phone or computer have great microphones. And if you're like, I have 17 kids, there's always background noise. Hide in a closet and wait for the storm to blow over. Easy enough. You've recorded your video. Now your students will have a little less to criticize you about. Next up, we want to upload our video file onto YouTube so we can share with our students. You can do this on your phone via the YouTube app or on your computer in the web browser. First thing, log into YouTube using your Google account and then follow the prompts to set up your channel. Once your channel is set up, you can upload your video. Hit the upload button in the top right and then select your video file. While it's uploading, you can adjust your video settings like title, description, and thumbnail picture. Hit next. These settings are optional and probably not super important for your class. Hit next again. These are your visibility and privacy settings. Depending on how you want your videos to be seen, this part is really important. Let's go over your options. Private. It means that only you can see your video, no one else. Public means that anyone in the world can see your video. COVID's not the only thing going viral. Am I right? Unlisted. This is probably going to be your best friend. It means that only people with the video link, not the entire world, can watch your video. You can use this setting to send your video link via email, newsletter, website, or teaching portal. And last, schedule. This allows you to upload your video in advance and schedule a time for it to go public. Technically, this means you could schedule out a week ahead and go on vacation. Please. I need a vacation. One other quick side note. YouTube allows you to edit and trim your videos in the video editor settings, just in case you want to get real fancy. So, yeah, who knows how long we'll be doing this distance learning thing, but at least you can attend PTA meetings in your favorite Snuggie.
Are you even listening to me?
Oh.
Could maybe you as the teacher to maybe just stop by each child's house each day? My child deserves more and check in and just make sure that they stay on task. I would, but I'm very, very busy with my Etsy shop. It's really about to take off,
So hang in there, teachers. This pandemic won't last forever. Before you know it, you'll be in the classrooms impacting the world, influencing the future leaders, while simultaneously smelling their BO and farts. But don't worry, you'll be there soon enough.
I don't even know why we're having virtual school. COVID-19 is all a sham by big government to make sure that we all wear our masks so that we will be undetectable and so that they can steal us. It's all a huge conspiracy. I read about it on